Ethiopia is popular for a number of reasons. This beautiful land is filled with some of the most breathtaking scenery that is simply amazing. Besides great food culture and beautiful views, Ethiopia is equally popular for the presence of beauty in its people. From the time of the Queen of Sheba to the present day, Ethiopia is the land of beautiful women. There are many successful international models from Ethiopia. Many of them appeared in world-famous fashion magazines and have had success appearing in movies and television shows and are now recognized as celebrities. If you are interested in beautiful black ladies, Ethiopia is the place to be. Without further ado, here is a list of the 5 most stunning Ethiopian women. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new video updates. Sara Nuru was born as the third child of Ethiopian immigrants on August 19, 1989 in a small suburb of Munich, in southern Germany. In addition to German, Arabic, and English, she also speaks a little Amharic. She appeared on Germany's Next Top Model in 2009, where she was very popular and won the competition. Before participating in Germany's Next Top Model, Sara had already gained experience as a model. Sara is an entrepreneur, model, speaker, and author. In addition, she worked with an NGO called People for People in Ethiopia. Yityish Aynaw was born in Gondar district of Ethiopia. She immigrated to Israel with her older brother in 2003. She enlisted in the Israel Defense Forces in 2009 and was later discharged with the rank of lieutenant. She was crowned the Beauty Queen of Israel in April 2013. Making her the first Ethiopian Jew to win this title. TT had no modeling experience prior to this competition. As she thought that she had no chance, she didn't even submit the application for the competition. A friend did. Immediately after winning, she began modeling in Europe and Israel. She participated in various reality shows and hosted TV shows. Hibret Fekadu is a well-known model who was born in 1990 in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Hibret is one of the famous and trending celebrities who is popular for being a model. She was crowned Miss Ethiopia 2008, and she represented her country at Miss World 2008 in Johannesburg. Tahounia Rubel was born into a Jewish family in Gondar, Ethiopia. When she was 3, Tahounia and her family moved to Israel. She served as a driving instructor in the logistics corps of the Israel Defense Forces. In 2012, she was named Israeli supermodel in an Israeli beauty pageant and was the first woman of Ethiopian descent to win a local beauty pageant. She then represented Israel at the World Supermodel pageant in Fiji. Liya Kebede was discovered while attending high school in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. After graduation, she went to France and then to New York City. Her breakthrough came when Tom Ford signed her for the Gucci 2000 fashion show. Thereafter, she regularly held fashion shows in New York City, Paris, and Milan. She appeared on the cover of major fashion magazines, including several issues of Vogue. She filmed for ad campaigns for Gap, Yves Saint Laurent, Victoria's Secret, Emmanuel Ungaro, Louis Vuitton, Tommy Hilfiger, Revlon, Dolce & Gabbana, H&M, and Escada. Liya had roles in a number of films. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode and you'd like to help support the channel, please share it with others, post about it on social media, or leave a comment down here. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.